Hello coders, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see how to download a Python and run your first program in Python. As you just saw. So first we have to go in python.org, its official website. From here, you have to go here in downloads. See view the full list of downloads. And if you are using Windows or Linux or Mac, you can choose it from here. I'll choose Windows. So if you can see on my screen, in Python 3.9.6 is the latest version, which is here. So just download that 32-bit or 64-bit to your system. So I'll choose 64-bit. And once this exe is downloaded, you can easily install in your system in Windows. So just install it just like a normal exe, which you will install here. Just make sure you'll check the button that you have to include this in your Python path. So okay, so if all this is ready, go here, search IDLE, click here. This will open an IDLE. You can open any file or create a new file here. I'll just create a new file. So now you can write your first Python program, which basically is an hello world. You can write like this, and to run this program you have to either go here, run, or run module, or you can just simply press F5 to run the program. So we have to save this file first. So I'll save this file in my desktop and I'll name this file my first program. Save, and now it runs. So it will show hello world. Yeah, so that's it. This is your first Python program.